Let's start talking about lipids now. Lipids do not exist as polymers per se. Why not? Because they are built from two or more different types of smaller subunits. So they're not built from repeating subunits, like for example, a bunch of saccharides, right? Or a bunch of amino acids. These are going to be mostly hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons, like I told you before, they're going to look something like this, right? A lot of carbons with a lot of hydrogens in there, hydrogen, carbons, carbon, right? Or a lot of this stuff, right? And if they're going to be made of a lot of hydrocarbons, therefore these molecules are going to be non-polar. Okay, non-polar means they have no charges. I'm going to put here no charges. And if they don't have charges, they're not going to want to like to hang out with water. So these are going to be hydrophobic. Okay. Now, these lipids, just so you know, these are going to be really big. Okay. Big, really big. Okay. They're going to have a lot of energy in it. A lot of energy in them because they have a lot of bonds. Okay. A lot of high carbon hydrogen bonds, for example. All right. In terms of lipids, our main lipids are going to be our triglycerides, which are going to be our fats. Very important one, phospholipids. These are going to be very important because they're going to be the main component of our cell membrane. Okay, and we'll talk a little bit about steroids as well, and also waxes. But I'm not going to talk much about waxes. All right, waxes, however, all I'm going to say about these ones here, waxes, is they're usually used by organisms to prevent water loss. Okay, so they're used to prevent water loss. Okay, so they hold in the water. So for example, plants have this waxy cuticle, right, to prevent a lot of water loss. A lot of organisms, animals like seals, for example, they have this kind of waxy skin, again, in order for them to prevent from losing a lot of water. Okay, so that's the introduction for lipids. Now we're talking about different types of lipids.